Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Izzat bin Muhammad Kamaru. My matrix number is 19 APM 24F1002, and today I want to present about industrial relation in Malaysia.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Muhammad Hanif Johan bin Muhammad Faris, and my registration number is 19 DPM 24F 1087.
And the question number one is concept of industrial and how it is practiced in Malaysia. For number one is industrial relation at 1967. Government trade dispute, collective bargaining, and recognition of trade unions. Number two is employment at 1955. The regulates minimum employment standard. And number three is Trade Unions Act 1959. It is cover registration and operation of unions. And number two is structure and function of tripartite system in Malaysian industrial relation. Number one is government. Government prepare and enforce labour legislation that establish the right of employers and employees. Through the Ministry of Human Resource, the government provide mediation, conciliation and arbitration services. Statutory bodies such as EPF, SOSO and the Malaysian Productivity Corporation (MPC), and also play supporting roles. Number two is the employers. The association represent management and organizational interests at tripartite meetings. They give feedback on how labor laws impact business and productivity, conduct wage and benefit research. It is also provide training in industrial relation, HRM, OSH and leadership. For example, Malaysian Employees Federation (MEF). And number three is the employees. They represent workers at tripartite meetings, protect members' rights, and carry out research on workers' issues. For example, cost living and migrant labour. They also organize training for members. For example, Malaysian Trade Unions Congress (MTUC) and COE PACs.
Okay, third, I would like to talk about role of trade union in protecting the interests of workers. All right, firstly, we are talking about collective bargaining. In collective bargaining, the new members will negotiate wages, benefits, and working conditions on behalf of members, which is the meaning of in the first one is the new members can negotiate the wages based on their qualifications, and they need to know their benefits and the working conditions. Is it qualified for them? And second is about representation. Okay, the second is representation, which is represent members in dispute or disciplinary cases with employers, which is the meaning of the representation is to ensure a fair balance of power between an individual employee and the company's management. Okay, the third is advocacy, which is campaign for labor-friendly policy and social justice at national and international levels. The meaning is the campaign to make life better and fair for working people everywhere by changing law and societal system. The fourth is support and assistance, which is to provide legal aid, counseling, and training programs. Now, the meaning is to enhance skills and welfare of the new members that are working in the company. And the last is number 5, which is workplace safety. Workplace safety is to ensure safe and healthy working conditions and advocate for compliance with safety regulations. In the other meaning is the new members that working in the company feel more safely and become healthy all the way in their working hours.
Number four is main roles why workers choose to join a trade union. Number one is to have a voice. Workers want represent to express opinions and influence employment policies. Number two is to gain bargaining power. Unions enable employees to demand fair wages, more benefit and better working conditions. Number three is to protect employment rights. Unions defend members from unfair dismissal and ensure legal rights are respected. And lastly is to show solidarity and belonging. Members join to unite with other workers and share social support at the workplace.
Okay, we go to the next subtopic, which is about solutions that could be taken to balance the interests of workers and employers. Is promote direct negotiations, which is to encourage open discussions between employers and unions to achieve win-win agreement. And the second is encourage conciliation, which is sign industrial relations officers as neutral mediators to help both parties reach mutual understanding. And the third is uh, provide mediation services, which is involve respected and impartial individuals, for example, local leaders or politicians, to resolve dispute peacefully. And the fourth is use arbitrations, which is to refer an unresolved dispute to the industrial court, which gives legally binding decisions to ensure fairness. And the last is uh, enhance worker, which is to conduct programs that build mutual respect, productivity, and understanding of industrial relations law. Okay, we are right now in the final topic, which is challenges of industrial relations in Malaysia today. All right. So first, we will talk about the low union membership, which is many employees are unaware or hesitant to join unions, especially in private sector. And the second is global competition, which is employers face pressure to reduce costs while maintaining fair employee treatment. Sorry. And the third is technological changes, which is automations and digitalization may reduce labor demand and create new conflict areas. And the fourth is limited awareness of labor rights, which is some workers lack understanding of their rights and dispute channels. And the last one is frequent wage dispute, which is continuous disagreement between management and workers over compensation and benefits. So that's from us, and I hope Madam will enjoy this presentation. And that's all from us. Bye.